बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ज़फ़र इकबाल उर्दू एकेडमी जनरल नॉलेज पेपर नंबर 1। Question number 1 is Ramiz Raja is the dash chairman of Pakistan Cricket Board. Option B 36. What is the total area of Pakistan in square kilometer? Option B 8,81,913 kilometer per square. How many districts in Ladakh? Option B 2. Ladakh and Kargil. Question number 4. Which continent has no desert? Option C Europe. Europe is a continent which has no desert. Chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3. Option A. When did Sir Syed Ahmad Khan died? Option B 27th March 1898. Muslim League was founded on dash by Nawab Salimullah Khan in Dhaka, Bangladesh. Option B December 30, 1906. Which mountain range is located in the south of Pakistan? Option C Kohkirthar. Warsak Dam is situated on which river? Warsak Dam is situated on river Kabul. Option A. Pakistan national poet Allama Muhammad Iqbal died in 21st of April 1938. Option B. Sanna Marin of Finland is a famous youngest political leader. Option B. How many times squash ball jump in each shot? Only 1 times. Option A. In which city School of Public Policy located? Option B. In Lahore. Which is the first Gulf nation to complete FATF condition? Option C Saudi Arabia. FATF. It's the abbreviation of Financial Action Task Force. Who is the current chairman of NCOC? Option B Asad Umar. NCOC is the abbreviation of National Command and Operation Center. When Shalimar Garden established? 1642. Option A. What is the longest glacier in the Karakoram and second longest in the world's non-popular areas? Option B Siachen Glacier. Ghazi Brotha Dam in Attak, Punjab is located on Dash River. Option C Indus. 2022 FIFA World Cup was held in Qatar. Option A. Which resources are non-renewable? Option B fossil fuels. Pakistan China meets with which pass? Option A Khunjrab. Khyber is a famous building. Option B. Pakistan is located in which continent? B Asia. Pakistan is located in Asia continent. What does IWMI stands for? Option A International Water Management Institute. International Children's Day is observed on 20 November. Ran of Kuch is a disputed area between Sindh and India. Option B. The length of Pakistan and Afghanistan border is 2,430 km. The International Monetary Fund IMF was established by an international treaty. 1945. Option C. Who is the current chairman, Joint Chief of Staff Committee in Pakistan? None of these. क्योंकि मौजूदा चेयरमैन है जनरल साहिर शमशाद। Who was the 16th president of US United States? Is Abraham Lincoln. The capital of Sri Lanka is Colombo, option A. Who is the current Prime Minister of Azad Jammu and Kashmir? Option B. Sardar Abdul Qayyum Khan Niazi. Pakistan-China border agreement was signed in which year? 1963, option A. Indus Basin Treaty of 1960 between Pakistan and India is related to dash problem. It's about water problem, option B. Which was the first country to recognize Pakistan an independent state? Option A. Iran.